What's up, YouTube? 16 Falconer back with another freaking exciting video. I'm gonna hit this little baseball field here today. It's historic. Hugh C. Bedient. Falconer High School graduate who played baseball at this park. 1912 World Series champion. Pitched for the Boston Red Sox. Nice. All right, yeah, so I'm gonna hit this and I'll see you in a few minutes. All right, YouTube. So yeah, man, I've had a quite a boring few days here. I got 42, 43. Well, might as well find it. Yeah, so I went back to the park to the little creek there. It's actually Moonbrook Creek or Moonbrook. A couple days ago, really didn't find much. Found some more bling. Found me a really cool 1959 memorial, but the color is just, it's really cool. It's like bronze. I don't know what it is about the color, but it doesn't look like any of my other pennies. So that was cool. And then a little bling, and then some more change. A 76 memorial. Yep, there we go. Oh no, it's a dime. All right, so we got a dime. Oh, there it is. Let's see here. All right. Yep, gonna be a steady. There we are. Yep, dime. Okay, so after what seems like a long time, I got a solid 44. Oh, just jumped up to 45. As I'll see what that is. Usually it'll be a piece of aluminum, but as I found out there a couple days ago, wheat pennies ring up. And I was thinking about that too. When I found a 1896 Indian head, oh, looks like we got some bling here. When I found an 1896 Indian head, it rang up at a solid 40. I don't know if I was recording or not, but I found a piece of bling here, ringing up a solid 44. Oh, is it? We got more. Huh. We got a bling spill here. Let's rinse it off with some water here. See what we got cooking. Yeah, when I oh, there's a bead or something. Or is it a, I don't know. Well, whatever. When I found an 1896 Indian head, pristine condition, it rang up a solid 40. That 1909 wheat penny I found. Rang up, boy, that's quite blingerific there. Oh, can you see? I don't know. Blingy. Let's see what else we got here. That 1809 a little rose thing here. This must all went together. That 1809 wheat penny was ringing up like a zinc 4143. The 1913 and 1914 wheats were ringing up as a 44. So, and then the more modern wheat pennies, I guess, ring up, they'll hit up to like 52. So it's got to be the composition of the metal. All right, we got some bling. Let me go over that hole there, just to be sure we don't have any more of the freaking royal jewels in there. No, that's it. Nice. All right, I got a deep. We're gonna have it in the 50s there, so I'm gonna try digging that up. Well, that was it. It's a memorial, but it's a near wheat. 1959. The color on it is really bizarre too. So that's why I was ringing up. I pulled 59 memorials out before that rang up just like the later wheats. Huh. Boy, that color's really cool. It almost looks bronzy. So, all right, well, that's going to be it for a while. I got a book. I didn't realize how late it was getting, so. And then, let's see, what else did I do? Then I went, man, the ground's hard. We're back in another drought. I'm going to try a little bit more than call it. I don't want to be spending 20 minutes on a... Yeah, then I went out back, let's see, did I find anything else at the creek there the other day? I don't know. Oh, there it is. What's we got here? Yeah. It's probably a zinc. I don't know, 79 copper. Nice. I guess I wore the wrong sweater today. Yeah, then I went out back to this little canal that was used forever from the late 1700s till mid 1800s to float logs up to the sawmill, because it's dry. I mean, there's no water in it. First time in my life I've ever seen it with no water. It always has. All right, we should have a surface here. Let's see. So I hit that for a little bit. Really didn't find anything in the canal. The problem is that oh, son of a pup. There's always water in it. Oh, here we go. And we got a dime. Yeah, modern, rosy, can't see the year. There's always water in it, in the trees. You know, the leaves just pile up in there and, you know, decompose, and man, there's couple feet of beautiful black soil down in there. Never realized how nice it was. So I'm gonna have to get some of that for a garden next year. But I didn't really find anything, you know, in the muck. Now by the penny bridge, I did pull out 3/4. But other than that, you know, of course I only did a small portion of it. It was kind of thick walking around in there and whatnot. A lot of freaking beer cans. And so then I hit up oh, sorry, worm. Then I hit up on the bank on the one side, and I did find two yeah, another dime modern. Can't see the date, but it's not silver. So I hit up on the bank. I found two almost right next to each other, two Oneida Community par plated forks. Had no idea what par plated is, had to look it up. Apparently it's silver plate. Best I can tell, it's from the anywhere from the 20s to the 40s. Then I found a like a makeup compact copper, pretty cool. The glass is gone from it. I'm gonna hit this canal today. This is the first time in my life I've ever seen this without any water in it. See what we got here. It's gonna be a new quarter. Oh, it's an eagleback. All right, I got another. Should be a quarter, but it's hopping way up into the 50s, so it might be a tin can too. But it looks more like a quarter signal. So let's see here. Man, I guess I was off of my pinpointing. I got the threshold up. We're on a threshold at 15 also. Oh, there we go, another quarter. Yeah, I don't know where all the water's going. Even out the Alligator Reservoir, it is just bone dry. Ooh, that might be silver. Let's see. $1960. Ah, crap, 65. All right, I may have another quarter here. There's a can right there. I was ringing up just like a zinc. I'm gonna dig that out of there. All right, let's find this. All right, shouldn't be very deep. Let's see, yeah. Man, it's kind of nice to be able to just dig without oh no, it feels like a piece of metal, or maybe that's a rock. There's a rock. Oh, maybe it's this. Huh. Alright, well, I'm out of the canal for now. I came up on the bank here. There's a 15 signal. I got this big old T, old plumbing T here. And then I found this piece of clockwork right here. And then there was a piece of some old china or something here. I can't make out the writing on it. Alright, so I gotta, it was staying 25, but now it's probably gonna be a beaver tail or something along that line. Let's see here. Oh, man, yeah. It's a little harder digging up here. I put it in 40 kilohertz. So I increase the recovery to 6. So. All right. Let's see what we got here. There. Right. What do we got here? That's not it. Oh, we's got us a fork. Huh. Let's see. Well, it's a plated fork. And I can't see where the silver plate. All right, cool. Man, it's in good shape too. I'll have to clean it up when I get home. All right, so I got another signal very similar to that last one. So maybe we'll get a knife or a spoon now. Let's see here, because that's the other one right there. Maybe this will be a beaver tail. Let's see here. Gotta watch out for poison ivy too. Right there. Let's see here. Oh yeah, it does feel like a piece of silverware. That's another fork. Same one, same kind. Huh. Man, thing looks brand new. Well, this one I can see here now. But it's ringing up awful low for silver plate. Okay, I can read this one. Oh no, it's not silver plate. It says Oneida Comment. It says par plate. Oneida Commodity? What? Whatever, it says par plate. Alright, well, I gotta going way up to the 50 surface. It's probably gonna be a can or something, but let's find out, because I'm down here in another depression where, oh shoot. Oh no, that's not it. Oh. Oh, an old makeup thingy. That's pretty cool. That's an oldie. But so I gotta get we got another dime here. So I gotta get back in there once the vegetation dies down a little bit more, because there's some old stuff back in there, but that's more relic hunting there. So I just gotta find me some clad to keep me happy. So, oh, did I miss the mark? Let's see. Get busy talking. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna be off. All right here. So I was off. Yeah, I gotta get me some clad. Then I went out last night. Is it? No. Did a curb strip by village parking lot by the Burger King. And man, that was, I found a couple quarters. All right, YouTube, so I'm doing a little coin sniping here in this area from there to there to there to there to there. I gotta find something. So I think I got me a quarter right here. All right, so it should be just right under the surface here, whatever it is we looking for. Oh, a little deeper than I thought. Oh, you know what? Maybe it's not. Maybe it's part of the electrics for this sign. Well, we'll see. Oh no, there we go. We got a quada. All right, I think I got another quarter right here. Right to there. So let's see what we got. Yeah, I've had another couple boring 3 days here, so figured I'd get out and find some money. Money's awesome. Uh-oh. Oh, there it is. Get out of the ground. Yeah, another statey. Okay, right in between the quarter I just got and the quarter I got just before that, I got another quarter signal. Right to there. Let's see what we got here. I like finding money. Oh look, we got a dime. I was ringing up like 55. 2011 dime, but there still should be a quarter in here. That'd be nice. Make a little mungie. All right, we down here a little bit more. There he is. Another statey. So 35 cents out of that hole. Sweet. What the? And then, oh, here's the surface find. Zinc, spendable. Yeah, then I did the curb strip in front of Burger King. And I mean, nothing. All right, I got another solid 24 here. So hopefully that'll be a nickel. I'm just meandering home. It's getting dark out. Oh man. Yeah. All right. What the? All right, one more try, and that's it. Then I'm gonna go. Oh, it's a freaking foil. Oh, this is showing pretty deep. Now we're showing back here. What the? What the what? Let me see here. Oh, shit. It's right there. It ain't that deep. Man alive. See, I get talking, can't. Oh, there we go. Sitting right there. What's a copper? 50. Oh no, 1980. 1980 memorial. Nice. Yeah, there was nothing in front of the Burger King. I was surprised. So now I'm out here this morning hitting this, you know. Of course, I'll show you the clips of all my oh, I also found out what silver sound or what gold sounds like. I've been wondering for a while, you know, because you hear people talking, oh, that's making a gold grunt. So I'm like, well, how do I know if I'm like, you know, just not digging gold? You know, I had no idea what the gold grunt sounded like. Then it freaking dawned on me like an idiot there. My wife's wedding ring, 14 karat gold. So I swung over that. It weighs 3 grams. She got little fingers, but so that rang up a solid 22 with a real low grunt. I'll put that in the video. So I finally figured out how to figure out what gold sounds like on the Legend. I got my wife's 14 karat gold wedding ring. That's 3 grams. I got a foil top right there. So I might as well do some other signals real quick. We got a whatever the Betsy Ross dollar thing is, a Sacagawea dollar coin, a silver quarter, a Mercury dime, and I got some other coins. Might as well do just for turds and giggles. We have a 1876 Canadian penny, right there. We have a 1909 Canadian penny, right here. We have a Reichsmark, 10 Pfennig. 10 Pfennig Reichsmark, right there. That's 19. Well, it's got the swastika in there. 1941. Then we have all this New Zealand. Shit, can you see what I'm holding up here? This New Zealand 2-cent coin. So I think this is a 76. No, 71. 71 New Zealand 2-cent coin. We have a, I don't know what this is. It's a big penny, 1912. I think that's a English large cent, 1912. So put that here. Then we have a, a 1909 2-ore Denmark coin, right there. Then we have a 1886 Canadian 5-cent piece. It's 925 silver. Put that down here. So let's swing over it real quick so we can hear some tones. Yeah, I was like, you know, I kept hearing about the grunt from gold, and I'm like, how do I know what I'm supposed to be hearing? And then it dawned on me after a long time. I'm like, durr. I'll just use my wife's ring. I don't have one, so right, that's good enough. I'm going to be in M1 ground. I'm going to turn the sensitivity down once she fires up here. Turn the volume up on the speaker. Let's see, no, turn that up. Volume. Do 5, we should be able to hear that. Cut the threshold off. All right. So real quick here, we'll go over the gold ring. Hear that sound? 22 full non-ferrous. Now we'll do the foil. 23, but it sounds identical. Louder because it's a bigger target. So anytime you get the things where you think it's a foil seal or something, yeah, you got to dig them. Because, all right, now we'll do the Sacagawea. Rings up solid 50, pretty much. Okay, the Susan B, 50. And we're both dollar coins. All right, the Mercury, 45, 46. The silver quarter, 52. Nice high. Whatever coin that was. So that rings up like a zinc penny. Only I think it has a higher tone. I should lay a zinc penny down. All right, there's another one. See, if I saw that, I'd think it's a zinc penny. And I wouldn't dig it. This one too. I'm gonna throw a zinc down real quick to. All right, here's that. Oh, that's that New Zealand coin. That's a solid 46. I thought that was a dime, you know, when I was digging it. Now here's here's the Reichsmark 43, or Reichspfennig, I mean 43. Now here's that's that coin from Denmark. See, that's kind of a mid-tone. Here's that big, large cent. 43. Nice high tone. And here's this 5-cent piece at 1886. Basically a 41. There must be something under my bricks here. So 41. So there you go. The gold is what I wanted to show you, but I figured I'd do the rest of these too, just for turds and giggles. So just in case anybody's wondering, and what it rings up just like at least that ring is the foil tops, you know, like they put on, you know, whatever, like fruit cups or whatever, you know, that kind of foil. They ring up a 22, but what I gotta do is, I gotta listen, I gotta do it again with the one on foil tops and the gold ring, so I can see if the tone is the same. It seems to me like the gold grunt was a little lower than the foil. But as far as number wise, I mean, they both ring a, you know, it's a low tone. And you know, I might as well stay over here. So I'll put that in the video. Then I swang over some other coins. Got like a 1889 Canadian 5-cent piece. It's silver. It's 925. And an old 18 something large cent. I'll show you in the video. But oh, that's the fence. All right. Well, you know what? When I've got another dime here. All right, I'll keep you around for this one more dig, and then I'll let you go till I find something. Let me just hit this with the pinpointer to make sure. Man, it's a little chilly this morning. Had frost on the roof of the credit union next door to me. My fingies are a little cold, but we're gonna warm up. I don't know. I think we're supposed to be around 75 today. Yeah, another dime. Well, whatever. If any of them are silver, I'll let you know, but I doubt they are. So, all right. I'll be back when I find something good.